Welcome back to my channel USA Cars Detail. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is back, and it's more brutal, refined, and exhilarating than ever before. This isn't just a dirt bike, it's a beast built for those who crave power, adrenaline, and raw two-stroke aggression. After years of being just a legend from the past, the KX500 has been resurrected with modern engineering while keeping its wild spirit intact. Whether you're a die-hard motocross fan or someone who appreciates high-performance machines, this bike is going to blow your mind. At the heart of the KX500 is a re-engineered 499cc two-stroke engine that delivers that iconic powerband snap, but with better efficiency and smoother throttle response. Kawasaki has implemented an updated digital ignition system, modern fuel mapping, and revised internals to make it more rideable without taming its legendary kick. It's still a monster, but now it's a more manageable one, especially for seasoned riders who know how to handle it. With a power-to-weight ratio that still dominates the class, this bike remains a king in the dirt. Kawasaki didn't just stop at the engine. The frame has been completely redesigned using lightweight aluminum, similar to what you see in their championship-winning KX450. This means better rigidity, improved handling, and reduced weight. Riders will feel the difference immediately. It corners sharper, flies straighter, and absorbs impacts better than ever before. Even aggressive off-road riding at high speeds feels more controlled and confidence-inspiring. Suspension is another area where the 2025 KX500 shines. The bike comes equipped with high-performance Showa components, fully adjustable both front and rear, allowing riders to dial in their settings whether they're hitting sand dunes, motocross tracks, or rocky trails. The front forks offer a plush yet responsive feel, while the rear shock delivers excellent traction and stability even under heavy acceleration or landing from big jumps. The styling of the new KX500 is also worth talking about. With aggressive bodywork, sharp lines, and bold new graphics, the bike looks as fierce as it rides. The seat is redesigned for better grip and comfort, and the ergonomics are optimized for aggressive off-road riding. The controls are intuitive and lightweight, giving riders better feedback and control in demanding conditions. Kawasaki's signature lime green color scheme ensures that this bike stands out wherever it goes, on the track or on the trail. Braking performance has also seen a major upgrade. The 2025 model features larger pedal disc brakes with improved calipers for stronger, fade-free stopping power. This is essential for a machine that can launch you forward at such an intense rate. You need to be able to slow down just as quickly, and now you can do that with full confidence. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. It respects its legendary roots while stepping boldly into the future with modern technology, better reliability, and improved rideability. It's not for the faint-hearted, but for those who dare to tame it, it offers an unforgettable experience. Whether you're racing through the whoops or ripping through desert trails, the KX500 is ready to dominate. Kawasaki has officially brought the legend back to life, and it's more alive than ever.